After logging to MyGST Refund portal, start by clicking Get Started. Enter your GST number and GST username. Verify via OTP, and we will auto fetch your business data from GST portal. Next, head to the GST refund calculator. Choose your GST number, refund type, and period. Click Submit to generate two reports, a summary PDF report and a detailed Excel report. Review the same. Once reviewed, click Request Refund, view the fees, pay, and your request is submitted. Our team takes care of the filing from there. What makes us unique is our AI powered filing system. For export refunds, we auto generate statement 3. Our AI matches data from GST and IceGate, reads document using OCR, and prepares statement 3 accurately and instantly. On the input side, we automated Annexure B. Our tool reconciles GSCR 2B with your books, flags ineligible invoices, and generate a ready to file format with zero manual error. These processes save our times and our team file your GST refund accurately. We also provide tools like GSTIN Validator, HSN Finder, and Auto Reconciliation dashboards built right into the platform. We have reduced GST refund filing time from 20 days to just 2 days. With MyGST Refund, MSMEs and exporters save time, avoid errors, and get their refunds. Fast, smart, and compliant. Claim what's yours the automated way.